Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube Studio mobile app in 2025 to manage your channel, check analytics, reply to comments and more, all from your phone. Let's jump in. First of all, what is YouTube Studio Mobile? YouTube Studio is the official app from YouTube that lets creators manage their channels on the go. You can check video performance, edit titles and descriptions, reply to comments, and track your subscriber growth all without needing a computer. Super handy if you are uploading or managing content from your phone. Now, open Play Store and search for YouTube Studio and download the app. Then click open once you download it. Then log into your account. Click allow. Now log into your account. You can switch account from here like that. When you open the app, you will land on the dashboard. Here you will quickly see how your latest video is performing compared to your past videos, total subscribers, latest comments, recent views. From YouTube, it's the perfect snapshot of how your channel is doing. Next, tap the analytics tab at the bottom. Here you can track important stats like views, watch time, subscriber gained or lost, estimate revenue. You can view overall channel stats or tap into a specific video to see how it's performing individually. Great for spotting what's working and what's not. Just choose a video and click on video performance tab, and here it is. Now head over to the content tab to see all your uploaded videos and shorts. Here you can edit titles, descriptions and tags, change thumbnails, and adjust privacy settings like public, unlisted. Click on one content, then click the pencil icon. You can edit the title here, then description, then privacy section like visibility, publish now, public, unlisted and private. You can set a schedule for a specific time, add to playlist like that. You can add tag from here. You can manage all thing of your video from here. You can if you want to change the thumbnail, just click on plus icon and create thumbnail and upload your thumbnail from your device. Now tap the comments tab. or community tab. Now you can view the messages. You can heart, like, or pin comment, hide or delete inappropriate ones, filter by needs response, held for review if you have moderation settings turned on. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.